cousin height. Really unsure how this audio gonna sound, but hopefully it'll come out alright. Take y'all on a little ride with me. It's usually how I do it. Today I'm on my 2016 Allez Sprint. Man, I love this bike. The other day, I bought a 2022 Allez Sprint limited edition though. Alright, I'm about to go into traffic, so I kind of got to be on my feet. Yeah. Limited edition. That joint hard. Purple. Chameleon. In the sun it looked blue. In the shade it looked purple. Tough. Brothers up there working on it. So anyway, yeah, I got the 2022 Allez Sprint at an incredible price. Like, bike retail at $6,800. Let's call that over a little over 7,000. But you know I ain't pay that. Trade-in value. So that's one thing I do when I buy bikes. Especially like these specialized bikes. Sellers tend to overcharge because they overpaid. Yeah, these bikes is crazy expensive when they first come out. But on them a little bit, you come back around, they selling them on Facebook, on OfferUp. So pick mine up at trade-in value. So what I do, I go online and I check the blue book value of the bike. They'll give you a private seller price. They'll give you a trade-in price, and that's usually what gives me a gauge on how low I can lowball. Charging over trade-in value for the bike, but you know, I got them down to it, and he agreed. You know, negotiating price on one end and negotiating if it ain't get another bike on the other end. My wife, yeah, man, I got the Allez 22. I got this Allez 16. And I have a, shit, what is that? 14? Regular Allez. Allez pump. I'm gonna do a review on all three of them bikes. Yeah. Because it's something, I mean, they all special to me. And it's little, you know, they have their differences. You know, and they're pretty much just upgraded of the older model, so we're gonna rock like that. We're gonna do that. I give y'all that. So yeah, just trying to figure out, you know, what type of content I'm gonna bring y'all going forward. Camera review coming, or you know, I got a shot. I got to figure out how I want to edit these reviews now, because I find that that's where I lose my steam in all this editing. I lose my steam. And I'm trying to keep going forward. So I'm trying to do as least editing as possible to bring y'all consistent content. You feel me? About the bikes. As right now, this is my favorite. I've done everything to this bike. Know how to work on it. This was my dream bike. It fell into my hands. This one right here fell into my hands. $700 when I first got it. $700. Believe it or not, that was the trading value for the bike. But you know, Allez Sprint, especially in something like a basic white colorway like this, which is what I wanted. What I got. But, you know, they gonna charge you. You know, they were charging probably double that. Sometimes 3 times that amount. For the same type of, well, for the frame. I wanted the frame. So, but yeah. Take that light. Yeah, shit's still closed. Only compromise I had to make with this bike though is the size. It's a 56. And I believe I'm a true 54. Thing about the geometry on this, top tube is shorter. And my 2022 my latest top tube is a little longer, so I can feel like, guys, get over here. I was about to take that shit. crates broke on me last week, man. Had specialized back crates. You know, fanboyed out. Want to buy me some specialized carbon crate, you know. So the maximum bite, you know, is a special build or whatever. Just getting some money today. Decided to bring y'all out, man, and see if I can make content out there. Midday lunch ride, you know what I mean? Getting some miles for breakfast. Still fasting. I'm gonna eat definitely when I get back. You know, I got a gel if I need it, but we at the light. Beautiful day, feel good out here. You know, it ain't been we haven't had much rain in a long time, but I think there's just some rain coming, but you know, it's getting warm out. Good thing, so I can come outside a lot more, man. I don't do the cold too much, man. That's why I got to it, feel me? Gotta bring out some good too. Alright, damn. Gotta bring out some good content too. I'm probably do an LTP test and try to do a little, I don't know, a little playlist trying to get that FTP up. I don't know if it's workouts. I hate doing workouts. I just like riding and racing. Riding and racing. But we'll see what I can do for you. I don't ever win no races. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Cracked the other day. My voice on my crank gave out the other day. Same spot. Damn, some construction going on. Hopefully I can ride through. God damn. What they got going on? Bathroom, man. I don't know what it is. I go on a ride, I'm constantly using the bathroom. Anyway, man, appreciate y'all rocking with me. Go ahead and get on with it. I'm going to the bathroom real quick, man. If you like videos like this, hit the subscribe button, like the video. Trying to bring y'all different stuff, a lot planned. Y'all rock with me, hype toast. Let's get it.